If you closed your eyes and someone asked you to imagine the perfect Ferrari, this is what you'd hear. That 9,000 RPM scream, that V12 bark on startup, that's the LaFerrari Aperta. And I'm about to tell you why this isn't just Ferrari's best car. It's the end of an entire era. First, understand how rare this thing is. Ferrari only built 210 Apertas for the whole world. And you couldn't just walk into a dealership with $2.2 million. You had to be invited by Ferrari. You had to already own multiple Ferraris. You had to be on the list. If you weren't, tough luck. That's why you'll probably never see one at your local Cars and Coffee. Most of them live in climate-controlled garages next to Picassos. Today, if one hits auction, it's $7 to $10 million. And that's if the owner even wants to sell. So, what makes it worth $8 million? Pop the hood. Well, you can't. It's mid-engine. But behind your head sits a 6.3-liter, naturally aspirated V12, no turbos, no fake stuff, just 789 horsepower of screaming Italian fury. Then Ferrari bolted on their HY-KERS hybrid system, which adds another 161 horsepower of instant electric torque. Total output, 950 horsepower, 664 pounds-ft of torque. 0 to 60 in 2.4 seconds. 0 to 124 miles per hour in 7 seconds flat. Top speed, 217 miles per hour. And remember, there's no roof. The Aperta started life as the LaFerrari Coupe. That was already Ferrari's halo car. The fastest, most advanced thing they'd ever put a license plate on. Then the engineers in Maranello asked the craziest question: what if we cut the roof off and made it better? That's not easy. When you remove the roof, you lose structural rigidity. The car gets floppy. So Ferrari re-engineered the entire carbon fiber monocoque. They added carbon fiber reinforcements in the sills and the pillars. They redesigned the doors to be butterfly doors that cut into the roof. The result? The Aperta is just as stiff as the coupe, but you get the sky. And the Aero ... Man, the Aero is witchcraft. It has active flaps in the front diffuser, active flaps in the rear, and an active rear spoiler. The car is constantly shaping itself to either cut through air or stick to the ground. At 124 miles per hour, it makes more downforce than a Formula One car from the 90s. Now let's talk driving. You press the red, start button on the steering wheel, and the V12 fires with a bark that makes every car alarm in a 2-block radius question its life choices. The HY-KERS system fills in any gaps. There is zero lag. You think about going fast and you're already gone. The throttle response is instant. The 7-speed dual clutch snap. The steering is like so direct it feels telepathic. And the carbon ceramic brakes. They'll stop you so hard your eyeballs will try to exit your head. But the magic is the sound. At 3,000 RPM, it's angry. At 6,000 RPM, it's screaming. At 9,000 RPM, it's a religious experience. And with no roof, it's all happening 12 inches from your ears.